Hey, it's Adrian, the CEO of Contact Mapping, and I am so excited to show you how easy it is to use contact mapping to connect with all of your connections over on LinkedIn. So, as an example, I'm going to use my friend Elizabeth, who's our Chief of Client Success here at Contact Mapping. And so I'm going to pull up her account here on my phone, and I'm going to hit this little edit button here and add her LinkedIn credentials into her contact mapping. So, her little thing after the LinkedIn URL is eTransforms You. And so as soon as I get that in there, I can tap there. It's going to take me straight through to Elizabeth's profile. I can see if she has any recent activity, but I can also go straight there and message her right from within contact mapping and send her a message. But then it gets even more powerful when you pair that with our Chrome extension. So I'm going to show you that now. On Chrome, I can link Elizabeth's LinkedIn straight to her contact mapping from the extension. I can even create her as an account from her LinkedIn profile. And if we're having a conversation back and forth on LinkedIn messages, with one click, I can just click on that clip conversation and immediately, boom, all of our conversation gets pulled into contact mapping where I can search it way more easily, where it's all in one place. It is phenomenal. So I can't wait for you to try it out. All you need to do is click the button below this video and go take it for a test drive yourself. You are going to love it. Thanks.